Let's learn how to enable NSFW filter on Reddit. So if you are new to Reddit, this setting should be set on disabled by default. If you want to turn it on or off, I will show you how. NSFW can represent sensitive photos, videos, text that someone can find rather abusive, insulting, etc. Now let us get back into tutorial. From your homepage, go to Settings app. In this video, I will show you how to change it on iOS devices, but same method is also for Android. Once you are in Settings application, just scroll down in main page until you find a Reddit app option when you did select it and go there. This will lead you to a Reddit settings page. It has few options that we don't need. What we need is this Reddit settings section with two NSFW options. First one is Show NSFW Content. This will make sensitive content visible to you. Also, you will be more likely to see this kind of stuff more common for now. To enable it, just click on button near the option. Once it turns green, it enables. When you enable Blur NSFW images, it will make those images like a spoiler. And it will be harder to see. To see clear images, you need to unblur them, so you want to disable this option. Of course, if you want to see all kind of sensitive stuff, same method is like for Show NSFW Content and you are finished. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.